Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
JEE Main Session 2. The National Testing Agency, NTA, has opened the JEE Main Session 2 application correction window today, March 13, 2023. Candidates who have applied for the JEE Session 2 can make changes to the application form, if any, on the official website at JEE Main. NTA, NIC, in. As per the schedule, the JEE Main application correction window will be active from March 13 to March 14, 2023. The registration for Session 2 started on February 15 and ended on March 12, 2023. The joint entrance examination, JEE Session 2, will be conducted from April 6 to April 12, with April 13 and 15 kept as reserved days. The candidates are allowed to make the corrections, latest by the 14th of March 2023, up to 9:00 p.m. Thereafter, no correction in particulars, whatsoever, will be entertained by NTA under any circumstances. The additional fee, wherever applicable, shall be paid by the candidate concerned either through credit, debit card, net banking, UPI, up to 11:50 p.m. on the 14th of March 2023, reads official notice. Candidates may note that they cannot make any changes to their mobile number, email address, permanent address, and present address. Direct link. JEE Main Application Correction Form 2023, changing the name of either mother or father, category, subcategory, city and medium, qualification including passing year, class 10 and 12, are allowed to all candidates. Aadhaar verified candidates cannot edit particulars such as candidate name, date of birth and gender. Changes are allowed in father-mother name, category, subcategory, PWD, city and medium, qualification, course. How to make changes to JEE Main application form? Step 1. Visit the official website at JEE Main. NTA, NIC. In Step 2, on the home page, go to Candidate Activity. Step 3. Now, click on the link that reads, Correction for JEE Main Session 2 Application. Step 4. Log in using your credentials. Step 5. Your JEE Main application form will open on the screen. Step 6. Make changes to the particulars as specified by the NTA. Step 7. Submit the form and take a printout of the same for future reference. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.